Triple D Takeout, hanging out at the Fieri house here in Northern California. And who's up first? Chef Tony?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Chef Tony.
All right.
While Hunter unpacks this, give me a little rundown. I know that you're known for making great pasta fresh for service. What is the dish that you sent us, Tone?
We're making pasta al forno with pappardelle.
So I got sheeted pasta, I've got fresh pasta that needs to be sheeted, and I also have
Pappardelle already made.
pappardelle ready to go.
There you go.
All right, so let's get into this. Let's get the meatball going.
In a bowl, add all 3 ground meats.
The veal, the beef, the pork,
Add salt and pepper.
the Parmesan cheese.
The Parmesan cheese. Yes.
Okay, next.
Parsley.
I got the parsley.
Parsley.
Oregano.
How many breadcrumbs?
I'll tell you when to stop. Go. That's good. That's good. Add some extra virgin olive oil.
This is just Tony, he's just ranting.
Okay. That's good.
How many eggs you want in, Tony? 2?
2, please.
We're gonna mix these meatballs. What size do you want them, Tone?
Like a quarter.
All right, how are we gonna cook these meatballs?
Just cook them in a pan with some extra virgin olive oil that I sent you.
That's a lot of meatballs right there.
Once the meatballs are fried, you're gonna add the meatballs to the sauce.
Tony, what's in the tomato sauce? A little bit of garlic, these beautiful Roma tomatoes.
Fresh basil, salt, and pepper. That's it. Extra virgin olive oil.
Got it. So you sent me this beautiful pappardelle. Run me through the recipe.
Flour, eggs, a little bit of salt, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Bind it all together, and that's it.
That enough pasta, Tony?
Yeah, that's fine.
You sent me enough for 2 orders?
Oh, that looks so delicious.
Add the ricotta to the sauce.
Okay.
The shredded mozzarella, yeah. There you go, Hunter. You're doing a great job.
Thank you. I'll be here all week.
Once the pasta's done, add the rest of the mozzarella cheese on top, and then bake it in the oven.
In the pan.
In the pan, yes.
Take a look at that. Beautiful ingredients to make a la minute.
Pasta al forno with pappardelle.
Looks amazing.
I know everybody at home's looking at this going, this is ridiculous. There's no way that that's the size portion that he makes. But that is the size portion that Tony makes. Fresh-made pasta, hand-rolled meatballs, beautiful filetto tomato sauce, screaming hot out of the wood-fired oven.
Are you really gonna do that? That's hot.
Careful, careful.
Oh, hot.
You did the hot dance. Why do you do it to yourself? Just wait a second. Just wait a second.
The key to that meatball is, without question, that veal.
Can you get your big old elbows out of here? I'm trying to eat.
That looks delicious.
If you're gonna enjoy pasta in today's no-carb world, I know Tony doesn't follow that, this is how you do it. The mozzarella on top is key. Parmesan inside the meatballs, right on. The ricotta into the sauce just takes it to another nice, creamy level. It is delicious, and the pasta is nice and firm. Bro, outstanding.